Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access additional settings. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on gray sweater next to it in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to switch it to gestures in order to use this mode. You can do that by selecting Settings in the pop-up. Now click on Gestures, select Learn or Cancel in this pop-up, and go back. Finally, after I tap on the switcher, one-handed mode is on. To use it, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, it's on. If you want to go back, swipe up or click on this dark area. If you wish to disable it completely, select the same settings and tap on Now Blue Switcher. In order to go back to Tricky's navigation, click on the top left corner or use a gesture to go back. Select System Navigation at the top of Additional Settings and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!